Looking for the best upright vacuum for pet hair in 2025? We tested 3 top-rated models: the Shark IZ862H Stratos, Dyson Ball Animal 3, and Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Reach. Let's break down which one is right for your home. First up, the Shark IZ862H. It's cordless, flexible, and smart. CleanSense IQ technology detects hidden dirt and boosts power. Its Duo Clean Power Fins brush roll avoids tangles and picks up pet hair with ease. You get HEPA filtration, an anti-odor capsule, and a foldable wand for tight spots. It's a premium cordless, ideal for allergy-prone pet owners. Next, the Dyson Ball Animal 3, a corded powerhouse with unmatched suction, up to 290 air watts. Its motor bar cleaner head tackles deep carpet dirt without hair wrap. The whole machine HEPA filter captures allergens. It's heavy, yes, but the performance is elite. Last, the Bissell CleanView, affordable, reliable, and built for pets. Its triple-action brush roll lifts embedded fur. Swivel steering makes maneuvering simple. It lacks HEPA, but at under $120, it delivers major value. So which is best? If you want cordless convenience, go with Shark. If you need maximum power, choose Dyson. And if you're watching your budget, Bissell is a solid pick. Grab our free PDF for side-by-side comparisons and best Amazon deals.